If you're constantly answering the same "how do I" questions in WordPress, AI Admin Assistant's Smart Guidance feature alone can save you hours every week. In AI Admin Assistance, go to the Guidance section. Guidance is designed to give users contextual instructions based on where they are in the admin. Let's create one. Click Add Guidance. Add a title, for example, how to add a reservation. Write your step-by-step instructions. Now here's the important part, targeting. You can choose specific ad screens, post types, or even broader areas, and after saving, when a user visits that screen, the guidance appears automatically in the panel. This means less onboarding time, fewer support emails, and more consistent usage. And users don't need to go looking for help. It's already there. If you manage client sites or team, this is one of the fastest ways to improve usability of your WordPress sites and free up your time from answering support questions. Get started using the free version today from WordPress.org or visit our website to learn more of the Pro version.